Well, good morning. It's the first task this morning. I am definitely going in with my Crocs, so mind your business. So, gave it some room, got our wire exposed. We got our wire exposed. Had to be real careful with that, so everything's good.
Okay. Alright, now we want to get him into the middle.
Okay.
Push yours out. There you go. Alright, let's put this guy into the middle. It looks about right. Watch. Yeah, it's got to come up a tiny bit.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks pretty good. Let me see. There we go. With the threads.
Nice. And we are back, chat. Got a storm heading our way. Get in there.
Taught you how to do it, big dog. I didn't get that lesson.
Appreciate you, brother. Yep.
I knew I should have just spent more money at fucking Home Depot. They don't even fucking open wide enough. Up at that wall. So this is all I get. No, I'm just gonna muscle it.
Yeah.
Ah!
Oh.
Fucking kidding me, bro. I'm not gonna let it beat me. I'm just gonna get really frustrated. What? Guys, come on, you stupid fucking whore. Okay. Don't go so far down. You egged it a little bit that last time. Yeah, get more in the middle of the threads. Yeah, and there you go. And then that's where you want to start for the most part. I know it sucks to just get that little quarter turn, but there you go.
When we're getting closer to the tightening part, you want to make sure we ain't egging.
Yeah.